So we are into discussion of part test 4. Look at question number 83. In the given reaction, this is we are given C2CH2Cl and it is treated with the 83. It is treated with the NaCN. So it is simply a nucleophilic substitution reaction. We get CH2CN. Look at question number 84. Look at question number 84. 84 we are given OCH3 and it is treated with Lewis acid. So this Y can be NH2, NO2, CHO or Cl. So my answer is C. It should be Cl. Since if it is Cl, like AlCl3 Lewis acid, AlCl4 negative is removed and we get a positive charge here, which can show electrophilic substitution at ortho position of OCH3 group, and we get the final product. Question number 85. Look at question number 85. Benzene gives substitution reaction more readily than addition. True. Correct. Alkenes give addition reaction more readily than substitution reaction. That is also true. And benzene mechanism, the relative intermediate is carbanion. Wrong. It is in fact benzene is the intermediate. Tertiary alcohol always give SN2 reaction. Tertiary alcohol always give SN2 reaction. Wrong. It shows tertiary alcohol prefer E1. Alright. Or if it is substitution, SN1. So first and second statements are correct. Question number 86. Incorrect statement regarding the electrophilic aromatic substitution. Phenol is more reactive than C6H5SH. Second statement, I have taken this one wrong. I'll discuss. And C6H5NHCH3 is more reactive. Yes, it is true, because NH2 group in fact is more electron releasing. And C6H5O negative is more reactive. Yes, it is much more reactive. O negative is a very strong activator of benzene ring. So now look at this case. So in my view, in OH, phenol, oxygen is having LP over 2p orbital, and the carbon, the orbital which takes up these two electrons is also 2p, whereas in thiophenol, the LP is on 3p orbital and carbon which accepts as 2p. So due to energy difference, this movement, this shifting is comparatively hindered, and this benzene ring is comparatively less activated as compared to this benzene ring. Question number 86. Find out identify the compound of following. This is treated with the C2H5 Br A, and then it is treated with chlorine 1 mole. So this is 86. Second option 87. Look at 87. First it is this reaction. Alright, RNA plus RX, and then on chlorination this triple bond is converted to double bond, and this is basically trans addition. So this is the product. Question number 88. 87, correct answer is fourth option. Which alcohol will be most reacted for dehydration? So see, here we have first and third option, nitro group and cyanide group. They are electron withdrawing groups. Alright, and dehydration can take place via two methods, using H positive, whereas in aldehydes and ketones this dehydration can proceed via carb anion. And if it is via carbocation, so I resisted first and second. Why I resisted first and second? Because let's say suppose Look at the first compound, that is CH3, CHOH, alright, and then CH2 and NO2. This is electron withdrawing group. So if we create a positive charge over this carbon atom, alright, CH2, NO2, and this is electron withdrawing group, obviously it will destabilize the species. Similarly, here also it is the same case. Alright, so first and third I resisted, and then I went for dehydration via carbanion, that is during aldol and ketol condensation it is observed. So see, in that case, now look at the second option. We will be having this OH, alright, CH and CH2 and this CHO, okay, and this hydrogen of CH2, this is removed using OH negative, alright, this is removed as H2O, and what we get as intermediate is CH3, say COH, alright, H, and we have CH, this is the electron pair because H positive is removed now, and we have CHO. Now this is stabilized by this movement, alright. That is why we say aldehydes and ketones, they show acidic behavior. So the point is, see, after that what happens? After that it happens, see, this is removal of OH, and then we get the final product CH3, CH double bond, CH and CHO. So now we are left with the second question, okay, that which will be more reactive to, and if this is the mechanism, which will be more reactive, whether this one or this one. Now see, then you must know the acidic behavior of aldehyde and ketone. The pKa value, if you compare the pKa value of aldehyde, it is 13.57, and for ketone it is 19.7, and acidic strength is inversely proportional to pKa. Means acetaldehyde is more acidic. That means if it is more acidic, that means the possibility of removal of hydrogen as H positive is more in case of aldehyde. That is why I opted this option. That is question number, which question we were discussing? We were discussing 88. So correct answer is basically third option, 88, second option, I'm sorry. Now 89, which one of the following is most reactive for E1 reaction? So E1 reaction means carbocation should be formed. So carbocation formed is same in all the cases. So now the question is ease of removal of these halogens. So obviously the means the escaping tendency or the leaving ability is follows this. So on the basis of this we can easily say that it is most easily formed, so this is most reactive. Alright, means second option is most reactive. Now we are left with 90 question. Which one of the following substrate gives EI reaction? See, EI is different. EI is elimination internal. I stands for internal. So it involves a concerted mechanism, and this is exhibited by acetate group and xanthate group. Xanthate group is OC, this is S, OCS and S, and this is R. Alright, so in this case what happens, this this C double bond S, this pi electron pair shifts in this direction and it becomes S negative. It accepts hydrogen as H positive, alright, and this oxygen accepts electron pair from here. So this carbon, over this carbon positive charge is produced, which is filled by this electron pair. So we get propene basically, alright, we get propene, and we get CH3, S, C, SH and C double bond O, this one, and finally CH3 SH is removed, CH3 SH is removed, and we get CO double bond S. Alright, so this is internal elimination mechanism. This is exhibited by xanthates and acetates, etc. Alright, thank you.